Hi there, everyone. My name is Phil Neese. I'm with Orca Industries. I represent Focal. We're looking at the new Focal amplifier, one of the innovation awards for 2007. It's our new dual monitor by Focal. It's 300 watts by 2, but a very, very special and something a little bit different about the amplifier is that it has a very high-grade processor, a DSP unit control system built inside the unit. It allows us to do a lot of different options and control capability into the amplifier. Unlike having a standard gain control or crossover adjustments on the amplifier, everything is done through either your laptop or your handheld palm unit. We're able to adjust crossover, gain level, structures, and control systems inside the amplifier in real time without any pops, noise, or clicks. We don't have to wait for a delay. We don't have to wait for system memory or anything like that. The second that we start making changes on the amplifier in the program, we hear that in real time in the vehicle itself or in the system that it's playing on that side. So we're able to adjust crossover points, and if I just engage one of the crossovers here, I'll put it into a high pass mode. The second that we make that change, you hear it, and we're able to adjust anywhere from 6, 12, 18, or 24 dB per octave, and again in real time. And the second that we make any kind of change, it goes through that. We can go into equalization, grab any movement, and we can go up or down, of course, on that side. Equalizer is a 1/3 octave, 30 bands, independent left channel and right channel adjustment capability, but it's not just a graphic, it's actually a 30 band parametric, so we can actually change the Q response. So if you watch my little curve response here, I can go into the Q factor of it, and I can go from a very narrow Q. Oh, sorry, hang on 2 seconds. Oh, sorry. There's a lockout in a programming mode. Administration code, hang on 2 seconds. And now I actually can make extra adjustments on it, sorry about that. So I can go into narrow Qs. Oops. Sorry, pardon me. And in real time we can make actual adjustments. One of the other very critical and unique components about the amplifier is that we're able to do time adjustment, or what is called signal delay. So I can control the amount of information and the delay on the left channel versus the right channel. So if we're running this naturally on our high-end system for your front speakers, I can delay the front left channel so that center image in the vehicle is going to be a little bit more controlled and natural. We'll have a better imaging capability from the driver's seat versus the passenger seat inside the vehicle on that side. In the processor also, we're able to take that and make different settings, and in our module control we're able to have 5 different memory capabilities. So that's very useful if we're dealing with say a convertible, so we have a top up, a top down setting. If we're dealing with an IASC or a competitor vehicle where we're dealing with an RTA setting, an SPL setting, or an SQ setting on that side, we're able to switch between each one of those perfect mode settings. The other nice thing about the DSP processor is this is a 2-channel amplifier, but it also has another output. That output has its own processing capability. So naturally you're going to have this amplifier, maybe another amplifier running your subwoofer side of life. We can come out of this amplifier with full DSP processing and control capability again to control its own EQ, its own crossover point, its own gain structure and level control capability on the amplifier. So a very, very unique amplifier on that side. Technically, internally, on a sound quality issue side, the preamp section is on its own circuit board, totally isolated from the main power and main output circuit board of the amplifier, so the two are not integrated. There's no current issues, there's no AC or voltage issue working from one circuit board to another on that side, so totally isolated. Some of the parts capabilities and the parts designs are better than anything else that you'll find on some of the market. 4 toroids, massive amounts of storage capacitance. You can actually cut the amplifier in half. Half of the amplifier is actually dedicated just to power supply, so there's no issues about impedance issues or strain. You can get on the amplifier as hard as you like, get maximum amount of power without it getting any kind of strain of feel or lack of dynamics or control capability on the amplifier. So a very unique amplifier, design engineered for the new innovation for 2007. That's really about it. So thanks very much. Have fun.